The intent of this administration is to scare our clients.
The immigration policies instituted over the first 100 days of Donald Trump's second term have affected hundreds of thousands of migrants. But what about on the legal side? We spoke to a US immigration attorney about the changes.
It's been a whirlwind. It's been crazy. There's news coming at us left and right, and it's difficult to keep up. There's still so much fear that would prevent a lot of people from even just going to work, especially in the construction industry, in restaurants, in the agriculture industry. I think that we're going to see a much stronger economic impact, at least in predominantly immigrant communities such as San Diego, Los Angeles, that type of thing.
The nationwide immigration raids are continuing at the same pace.
The immigration raids have been targeted. Unfortunately, there are people that have been caught up in the raid, and if they're not documented, they might get arrested. Now there's a fear of even just going out into the streets and being perceived as anti-Trump, because that alone could potentially at least give you enough headaches where you could be detained, questioned, your phone could be searched, that type of thing.
Trump may have closed asylum pathways at the southern border, but they are opening up elsewhere.
There were some comments that white South Africans were being discriminated against, and that might be a basis for them to apply for some sort of asylum. It's not sort of across the board, all immigrants are perceived as bad. There is still a push for white Europeans to be admitted to the United States as residents. If you notice, there's definitely an attack on Arabs and Muslim students and entrepreneurs and workers. There's definitely an attack on Venezuelans, El Salvadorians, Mexicans, Latin Americans, etc. So the administration is not just anti-immigrant, it's definitely choosing within the immigrant community the winners and the losers.
But the changes in the immigration system are not only in the day-to-day policy. The Trump administration is also making longer-term changes in the US court system.
The administration firing a lot of judges that they deem to be friendly to immigrants and replacing those with people that are perceived to be more hardline. So the impact will progressively get worse during the next 4 years.
So 100 days of President Trump's second term and enormous changes on the immigration front. What's your perspective?